So to start off with, all we need is a blank piece of paper and a pencil. And we're just gonna start drawing some basic shapes. And we can erase this because it's pencil. That's why we're starting with pencil. And if I want to change any of this, I can. So we're just gonna start building up. So I'm gonna put another shape over here. And this is all gonna be covered, so don't worry about making it perfect. So most of this will be in darkness because we'll be coloring it in black. But what we can see is the windows. So we're gonna add windows now. And then this is the floor, right? So we can color that in later too. Now that our sketch is done, it's just a sketch, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just an outline for what we're gonna draw later. We're gonna be painting the entire page and act like this isn't even here. And we're just creating a background color. Now you're gonna choose two colors with watercolor. We're gonna be choosing two colors next to each other, but we're not gonna be doing colors opposite or far away from each other. Just one's close to each other. We're not doing any blacks or browns. We're just doing these colors. So first, we dip our brush in water, not too much. You can rub it off on the side here to get some of it off. Lighter color from orange and red would be orange. So I'm starting with orange. So we start at the top of the page. Just go across like that. And when it comes to the edges, you don't want to get paint on the table, so you can pick it up so we don't mess up our tables. Put some water on your darker color and then start going up slowly into the other color. And you'll see they start to mix as long as they're both still a little wet. And then we will keep doing this until it's a gradual mixture. Okay, now that the paint has dried, we're going to color our windows first. So the light that would be coming out of our windows. I'm gonna pick yellow because I want it to stand out. And try and stay in between your pencil lines as best you can. Color your door as well. We're gonna fill in the rest with black now that we have the windows done. I would say go from left to right so your hand doesn't get all dirty. When you get to the windows, you're gonna wanna be a little more careful. Draw around them first, like this. And then you can start coloring a little darker around them. We have windows and we have the shape of the house, but now we need things to make the house look spooky. We're going to draw the moon, and I'm gonna draw a circle right around here. And you can use something circular if you want. You can go in and trace that if you don't want to do it by hand. If you accidentally get some of the color on the black is dark, so you just go right back over it. Now if you want to add bats or something in the background, you can do that. If you have enough time, so I'm gonna add a bat around right there. It's just like a V. So there you go, some little bats. Just little swoosh swoosh. Really easy to draw. And now we have a spooky house.